Before you go, let me move away from music and Ghana music. How do you deal with criticism?
I'm a tough nut to crack. I'm a very, very tough nut, and I always empower myself. And I think I have God to being with me, so I thank God for staying.
See you on the screens anytime soon.
Oh, I'm doing To Have and To Hold with Farmhouse Production on DSTV, so I am on the screen.
Okay, then I'm sorry.
I didn't go anywhere. I am
sorry.
on the screen.
How is it going?
Nah, like a step higher. Like I can call myself an actress now. So I've been a TV presenter. I'm an actress now. Can't wait to be at Hollywood. Yeah.
Before you go, mental health is an issue in Ghana. Do you think Ghana we are actually learning to accept and help people with mental disorders?
We are growing, because nowadays when I hear discussions about my rants and all that, it's more informed. It's not just vague. People are talking about bipolar disorder. They are talking about symptoms and all those things. So you can see that, people are doing well.